सब्सक्राइब करने के बाद घंटा बजा।
Hello guys. Hello guys. Hello guys. Starting. Yeah, I am starting. This game with my 3 years old brother. So let's start it. And this is not a sponsor video. This game name is Let's Find Out Where.
Yes, kids, are you ready for the game?
Yes.
Yes?
Yes.
Okay. Now you have to choose the cards, okay? Pick up one card.
Gira.
Okay. Harshita, read.
Where do you go to board an aeroplane?
Okay. Now you have to find out. Where is the card? Yay! Airport. What was the question? Where do you go to board an aeroplane? At airport. Now choose next card.
Where do you see moon?
Whoa, where do you see the moon? In the sky. You choose the card. And read the question.
Where does wool comes from?
Where does wool comes from? Now, from where do we get the wool? Please help me out, bachcho. From sheep. You got the wool from sheep. Now I got it. Now choose another card, bachcho. You choose.
Okay. The question is, where do you go for swimming?
Where do you go for swimming? Find out. Wow.
Swimming pool.
Now choose another card. Yay. Next card. Show me your card. Show me. Okay. Now you choose.
Where do we wear sunglasses?
Where do we wear sunglasses?
Riyansh, tell me. Glasses.
Oh, on our eyes.
On our eyes.
Show me the cards. Where do we wear sunglasses? On our eyes. Okay, bacho. Very nice, Riyansh. Keep it up. Harshita, you're doing very well. Now choose another card from this basket. Okay, now show me.
Where do flowers grow?
Riyansh, where do flowers grow? On a plant. Bolo? On a plant. Wow, show me the cards. So, wow, where do flowers grow? On a plant. Wow. You choose now. Okay, now show me the card.
Where does a ship sail?
Where does a ship sail, Riyansh? Please tell me.
कहाँ तैरता है? Oh.
Where?
यहाँ पे यार.
कहाँ?
On the water.
Riyansh, on the?
Water.
On the water. Ship sails on the water. Wow, very nice, kids. Okay.
Where do you put your clothes?
Where do you put your clothes?
In the closet.
In the closet. Okay. Where do you keep your clothes?
In closet.
In closet. I keep my clothes in a closet. Very nice.
ये देखो ये. Where do you save your money?
Where do you save your money? Please show me your card, Harshita. Where do you save your money? Yes, please find out the card.
Tell me, Ranch.
In a piggy bank? Where do you save your money in a piggy bank.
Where does a lion live?
लायन का घर कहाँ पर है बता दो.
Den.
In a den. Show me the card, please, Riansh.
ये देखो.
Lion lives in.
Den.
Wow.
Where do you buy bread and rolls, cake from?
Question is, where do you buy bread and rolls, cakes from?
रेंज हमें केक कहाँ से मिलता है?
केक कहाँ से लेके आते हो रियांश?
ये
बेकरी शॉप.
बेकरी शॉप.
Okay. Okay, very nice. Okay, now pick the another one, please.
Where do you sleep at night?
Where do you sleep at night? On a bed. Okay, now choose another card, please. Okay, show me.
Where do you take your bath?
Riyansh, where do you take your bath, please?
बाथरूम. बोला कि
I take bath in a bathroom. And what is in this card?
Where do apple grow?
Show me your card, please. Where do apples grow?
On apple tree.
On apple tree. Okay.
Hmm.
Where do you throw your trash? In a?
In a dustbin.
Okay.
Where do you keep your book?
Okay.
In a bookcase. Oh,
In a
bookcase.
bookcase. Okay.
Where does wool comes from?
Where does wool come from? Please help me out.
A sheep.
Oh.
Hmm.
No.
This is where do you wear a seat belt?
Wait. In a car.
In a car. Where does your mother cook meals?
Where does your mother cook meals? Show me your card, please. Okay, now we got it.
In the kitchen. In the kitchen.
Okay, my mother cook meals in the
Kitchen.
kitchen. Where do you see a clown? Clown means joker.
Yes.
Okay.
In the circus.
We see a clown in the
Circus.
circus. Okay.
Where do we wear the shoes?
Shoes.
On
Our feet. We wear the shoes on our
feet.
feet.
Is where do you buy
Writing materials. Where do you buy writing materials? Yes. We buy the writing material from the stationery. Okay.